Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Friday, the last day of the week, December 13th. There were no action yesterday as far as our scalp trade, so obviously no video. Today we just had the one trade. There wasn't a bunch of economic news. We did get producer price index at 8:30. It's a low-level priority number. Really didn't do too much to the market. This trade here was towards the end of 8:30. It looked like it was trying to break out. We got a long signal, 0.89487. We felt pretty decent about it. Thought it might break out because we had some of the tailwind from the PPI, because took about 20 minutes for the markets to digest the PPI and then started to run. Unfortunately, it just petered out. Maybe in hindsight, we didn't give it enough wiggle room. We were hoping to see it pop right off the bat. On the flip side, we're having a positive month, although it's not very active, and we don't know if we're going to get any more other trades throughout the day because we had nothing up until that point. So we played it probably a little too conservative. As you see here, we lost 8.3 pips. As it is right now, we'd be up, about 10, 11 pips, which is almost pretty much near the high. It's the last candle here, the second to last candle. So she actually ran up over 60, 89.60. So, but if we were still in it, we would have had to withstand, 22, 23 pip loss, which we were not going to do, especially on a Friday of a month that's not very busy. So, I think we played it right. We took a small loss, 8.3 pips, not a lot. Can make that back easily in one trade. So that was it. We'll move on. As far as the swing trades, we had it was pretty. I think we had 3 or 4 yesterday. Actually, they were all profitable, which was nice. Nothing so far this morning. We're waiting for the algorithm to spit out a signal there. And that's it, really. If you're trading now, good luck. The week's almost over, a few hours left, and then we'll be into next week. It's, as you know, it's been a slow month, slow week, a slow month. Coming into the holidays, after next week, we come into Christmas and then New Year's. So we expect it to remain pretty slow until after the New Year. So that's it. Wrap it up. Have a great weekend, everybody. Hope your football teams win. If you're still trading now, good luck, and we'll see you Monday or the next time we get some action and do a video.